Hello everyone, welcome back to Take It Simple. I'll be guiding you through how to log into WhatsApp using a QR code. In today's tutorial episode, if you are watching this for the first time, subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button, press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. To log into WhatsApp using QR code, make sure you've downloaded WhatsApp on your Windows. After you're done, tap Open WhatsApp, and as soon as you do that you'll see this kind of an interface on your display. To use WhatsApp on your computer, what you'll need to do is you need to go open WhatsApp on your phone. Go grab your mobile device and tap Open WhatsApp from the app list. Now after it is done, from the home page, tap on the menu icon located on the top right, tap on WhatsApp Web. What you'll need to do is tap on OK to log into WhatsApp Web. Tap on the Continue button. Allow access to WhatsApp to take pictures and record video. Now after you reach to this screen, simply point your phone towards the screen of your desktop to capture the code just by pointing your camera screen towards the desktop screen. You are logged into WhatsApp on your desktop with a QR code. If you found the video useful, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or feedback. I'll be back again with more tutorial episodes soon. Thank you for watching.